Hello, I'm new to this. I buy it myself new monitor for my PC, and I'm doing unboxing for the first time, so I'm not good at it. You already see that I cannot cut. Maybe now will be better. I don't have any. Okay, so sorry. I must do it with both hands. Let's try it. No, still didn't cut it. Okay, maybe now will be better. All cableology. Again, I need to, I think, pause the recording and take it out, because with one hand I cannot take it out. Okay, I take it out from the box staying already there. Sorry for the mess, but I have stuff here for 3 rooms and I live only in 1 room, so sorry, it's mess. Okay, first this is standing. Okay, and again pause. Okay, monitor is out. Now I will take a screw and do what must be done to monitor stand on my desk, and I will back when I finish screwing. Okay, monitor is done, and now I'm connecting everything, because I also changed RAM in my PC from 3200 MHz to 3600 MHz, but previous one I was have CL18 and now I have CL14. Okay, everything connected. Computer is working. Now I need to set everything, and we'll be playing some game maybe, or no, I think tomorrow I will be playing games. Today I just turn on some movie and that's all.